In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil light or vehicle maintenance on a 2022 Toyota Sienna. It's going to be a pretty simple process. You're going to use this directional pad right here to navigate through the menus on the screen. And so I'm going to first start off by pressing the right arrow button, and we're going to navigate through these menus until we get to the one that looks like a little gear for settings. Then we're going to press the down arrow, and we're going to go all the way through these until you get to vehicle settings. Then using the OK button right here, you're going to press and hold the OK button. Once you do that, you're going to arrow down to scheduled maintenance, press the OK button again, the up arrow to go to yes, and then click on yes. The reset has been complete. Scheduled maintenance has been done. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section. Give the video a like if you thought it was helpful, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.